Hello everyone, I'm Morgan, the principal engineer of Nuvoton Technology. Today, I will show you how to control the temperature and humidity sensor with Mbed OS on NuMaker-IoT-M487 development board. For this tutorial, we choose the Thermo 6-click board. It's a mikroBUS board with a MAX31875 sensor. It's easy to install on NuMaker-IoT-M487 board because it has a mikroBUS connector. The part of control code referred from community is easy and quick to be integrated into real application. Open Chrome browser and enter the URL ide.mbed.com to use the Mbed Online compiler. After login, make sure that NuMaker-IoT M487 board already selected in the upper right corner. If not, please refer Nuvoton IoT tutorial series. Get started with Mbed OS, which has a detailed description of how to add a board. Click the New on the left of menu bar. A Create New Program window will be displayed. You can see that the platform has been set to NuMaker IoT M487. In the template, select the NuMaker Thermo-Sensor MAX31875 for this tutorial. Then click OK. Now, you can see that the sample code has loaded on the page. The sample code includes MAX31875 control from community, declares and isquares the object used on NuMaker IoT M487's mikroBUS, and a sensor object with the isquares the object. Get a temperature value, then print it. No modification needed. Just click Compile to build the sample code. It is compiling. Please wait a moment. Then, you can see the last message is success after compile completed. The browser downloads the binary firmware file directly after the successful compiling. It will be saved in the default download folder or the folder based on your browser setting. In Chrome, you can click Download File and select Show in Folder. Now is the time to install the Thermo 6-click temperature and humidity sensor board on the mikroBUS. Please pay attention to the correct orientation of the board. Then, we connect the NuMaker IoT M487 USB port to your computer. And make sure the onboard LED lights up. Let's back to the folder you just downloaded the binary firmware. Drag and drop the file to NuMaker MCU drive. You will see the copying progress. Please find the virtual COM port assigned for NuMaker IoT M487 in Device Manager. In the tutorial, the new link virtual COM port is COM6. Then, use your favorite terminal tool. Here, we use PuTTY. Open the COM6 port with 115,200 baud rate and no flow control. Then open it. You can see the current temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit printed on terminal. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Welcome to subscribe to our channel. If you want to get more information, please contact us at salessupport@nuvoton.com.